Subscribe to Highest Good, where we tell you your future.
How are you doing, Virgo? On Monday, a partnership of some kind, perhaps business, perhaps romantic, is likely to be on your mind. You might want to seriously consider whether or not it has a future, and if it does, what to do next. You could spend some socializing if possible, but you could be too preoccupied to participate much. A lot of serious decisions need to be made. The outcome is likely to be positive. Try to relax and have some fun. Matters involving the home could suddenly grow serious. This is a positive development, but new possibilities could be opening up and force you to make a decision. The value of your home could have gone up and you might consider selling it and moving. Or you could have the opportunity to work out of your home and save commuting costs. Whatever it is, you've reached a milestone. Weigh the pros and cons. On Tuesday, a lot of serious matters are on your mind, perhaps involving plans for the future. It's likely that you'll want to stay home today and do some contemplating. Various new opportunities could be coming your way and you won't want to let them pass you by without serious consideration. You'll want to be sure it's right for you, so caution is recommended. You might even get around to considering the nitty-gritty of a possible agreement, but for the most part it isn't likely that you'll be making any final decisions yet. On Wednesday, it's likely to be a gratifying day, but perhaps more serious than you'd planned. A long-time friend might call and want to talk. This person or another might want to discuss a possible business enterprise that's apt to be worthy of consideration. Everyone around you might seem egocentric and you could feel that your concerns are of no interest to anyone. Don't let that upset you. Couples could pack their days and nights with together time. Singletons ought to make impromptu decisions, get out and date and be social, or look online for a new love connection. Changes are afoot on the coming 2 days across the board in your life. So guide the romantic ones in the direction you want to go. As far as the weekend goes, it doesn't look too shabby in the love department. Fun, great communication and branching out are in the stars. On Thursday, there's a little bit of tension between relationships and independence at the beginning. Note that the grass only appears greener on the other side of that fence. Enjoy your side now and enjoy how charming people are finding you. If things get heavy on Thursday and Friday, look for ways to renew your energy and your heart. Think about reducing, reusing and recycling in an emotional context. Just in time for the weekend, you will be all fired up again and ready to explore with your partner or go exploring for one. On Friday, the stars are meant for relaxation and renewal. If your boss says otherwise, well, be sure to fit in plenty of me time after hours. Spoiling yourself just a bit does your heart a world of good. A reserve of good humor and strength is also helpful during the emotional upheaval that begins sometime. What with stormy passions, possessiveness and more, your life may briefly resemble a soap opera. Enjoy the drama. This weekend, take extra care with others' feelings. Be sweet and it will come back to you tenfold. On Saturday, get busy when it comes to romance, meeting people, flirting and having fun are in the stars. Couples have a chance for extra sweet times together, so stop work early and make the most of it. Taking a closer look at a matter of the heart yields a fresh understanding, but you've got to slow your crazy pace to do it. This weekend, you grasp both the details and the larger picture when it comes to a relationship or potential one. If you want to take it to a more meaningful emotional level, now's the time. On Sunday, strive to overcome a little touchiness at the beginning of the week. Your caring, sharing, loving side just needs a little encouragement, so ask for it. Bring your famous intuition to bear if you're called on to make a decision in the realm of romance. It may just tell you to hold off on deciding, but that's better than getting in deeper in something you're uncertain about. The weekend might bring a need to prioritize. Your sympathetic side says give, but your needs are paramount. It is necessary for a healthy body to consume a balanced diet. You are predicted to face some discomfort in the stomach. If you have issues with the blood pressure, take special care. Also have regular health checkups.
Money and career.
On Monday, during the first half of the day, your focus will be on the financial needs of veterans in the family. You shall try to do your best for them. You will tend to blow your money on your near and dear ones. You have to stay attentive to money matters. You need to take additional care if you wish to make any sort of investment anywhere. It is prudent to take the guidance of financial experts on matters in which your knowledge is shaky. The week is critical and due attention needs to be given to every financial transaction. On Tuesday, those engaged in selling and buying in stock market have to be particularly circumspect. Keep an arm's length from speculation-based activities like gambling and lottery. You might spend money on religious work or for purchasing fittings for your home. The week shall be mediocre. On Wednesday, this is going to be a good week for matters concerning finance and money. The week seems to be very favorable for selling or purchasing real estate. Such property deals will prove to be immensely profitable. There is a very thin line of differentiation between overspending and spending where necessary. Do not be a spendthrift. Avoid unnecessary expenses wherever you can. On Thursday, do not shy away from making positive changes if they support and boost your career growth. Businessmen will be able to reap huge profits from deals they make during this week. We advise you to refrain from taking any loans or creating debts during this week. Friday seems to be very promising upon the financial front. You will be able to search for new avenues for generation of additional income. Salaried employees may get a raise in salary coupled with incentives and bonuses. Business will also show a substantial amount of growth during this period. Those involved in the stock market will earn fantastic profits. We would advise that you focus upon avenues of safe investments during this day. Investments like gold, silver, and real estate will prove to be profitable in the near future. Avoid taking unnecessary risks. On Saturday, you will need to be extremely cautious with regards to matters of finance and money. Financial inflow should not be a problem provided you work hard. Be extremely careful prior signing any papers, legal documents, or checks. Doing so may result in major financial loss for you today. Those involved in trading, especially intraday trading of stocks, should be very careful during this period. Keep a very tight leash around unwanted expenses. Being a spendthrift will certainly land you into trouble. Investing money is always a good idea, but refrain from putting all your finances into one basket. Diversified investments are always best. On Sunday, this is not a day to get carried away in emotions with matters pertaining to finance. Your financial situation is going to get substantially better during this period. Monetary benefits are a distinct possibility too. Be particularly diligent about maintaining your accounts. You should always be aware of where your money is coming from and where it is going. You will also be presented with several opportunities to increase your financial inflow. There is a very high probability of incurring high and unexpected expenses. This could have a severely adverse effect upon your finances. Perseverance will be the key factor during this day.
To get your daily prediction updates from our team of psychics, subscribe to Highest Good and click on the bell notification and never miss a prediction.